2246 Hotel, if you can, just give me a base report, please.
Say again?
2246 Hotel, if you can give me a base report.
Roger. Tower bases are 1500.
The 2246 Hotel, thank you. Contact Boston Departure, good day.
Contacting departure, 2246 Hotel. Boston departure, Cirrus 2246 Hotel, 2000, heading 250.
2246 Hotel, Boston departure, with a contact, turn left over, about 220, climbing James, 4000.
220, 4000, 46 Hotel.
November 46 Hotel, contact Providence approach on 123.67.
123.67, 46 Hotel. Providence approach, Cirrus 2246 Hotel, 4000.
2246 Hotel, Providence approach, run for altimeter 2987, information, Golf Skynet to Bedford, above the other.
I have Golf, 46 Hotel.
Visual 46 Hotel, check the visual approach, runway 14.
Visual approach 14, 46 Hotel.
246 Hotel, to Bedford Airport, approach 12 o'clock, 10 miles above the Alvin Coast.
Will advise, 46 Hotel, got clouds in front of me.
46 Hotel, the center maintain.
Center maintain 3000, 46 Hotel.
Turn right heading 230, it'll be vector for the GPS runway 14 approach.
230, 46 Hotel.
Altitude.
Right 320, 46 Hotel. Right 320, 46 Hotel.
646 Hotel, the better maintain 1,900.
1,900, 46 Hotel.
Citation 4A Juliet Sierra, contact box center 133.422 order. Citation A Juliet Sierra, contact box center 133.42. 3342 A Juliet Sierra, good day, sir. I'm just on group, change of group. From the final approach fix, turn left heading 170, maintain 1,900 to establish on final approach course, clear on our GPS runway 14 approach.
Left 190, and I thought I was going to do a visual approach.
Left 46 Hotel, unfortunately I got to get you under the clouds until you're at the airport, so I got to put you for instrument approach.
Okay, 190 and cleared for the GPS approach.
On the roll out, you should have the airport at your 12 o'clock and about 8 miles, so you can just about the other place.
Roger.
Altitude.
Airport is inside 46 Hotel.
Clear visual approach, runway 14, contacting Bedford Tower.
Contacting tower, cleared for the approach 46 Hotel. New Bedford Tower, Cirrus 2246 Hotel, 8 miles with Golf inbound for 14.
Hotel report 3 mile. Are you making a GPS approach?
Affirmative.
Report Darling.
Report Darling, 46 Hotel. I have a Darling 46 Hotel.
46 Hotel is clear land, runway 14.
Clear to land, 1446 Hotel.
Hotel, next way to Echo and taxi ramp is frequency.
Right on Echo and taxi to the ramp. I'd like to go to the restaurant.
Are you familiar?
Negative.
Okay, after you make a right turn, taxi around the tower, and I'll show you where to park.
Okay, around the tower, 46 Hotel.
66 on trying to right down 1414. Any chance to go 5?
Clear land, runway 5.
Come on 5.